When installing the salt cell on the AquaRite S3, we want to confirm that we are using a S3 salt cell with the S3 system. Any other cell utilized with this system will throw an invalid cell code. On top of using the S3 cell, we want to make sure we install our flow switch either after the salt cell directly, giving us a 12 inches of straight pipe, or before the salt cell with 12 inches of straight pipe prior to that. If we install any valve, fitting, or T after this flow switch, we want at least twice the pipe diameter after this to prevent turbulence. It can cause chattering. Now, when installing the flow switch and the salt cell, we want to plug in the salt cell firmly into the plug itself. We also want to take the flow switch and plug it into the jack right below the system itself. At this point, we have a correctly installed salt cell flow switch, and we have everything plumbed in line.